The undercut haircut. This has been around for many, many years, and I was very, very well known for making this haircut go somewhat viral, and I had my issues with this haircut. But I still, to this day, get requests about the haircut, and yes, this is the famous green mannequin I've had for many, many years with the green hair. Now, as you can see here, it looks somewhat mushroomy, but that is what is going to happen when you have an undercut haircut, because all the hair from underneath is gone. So the hair will lay over that. Now, it really is personal preference on how long you want your hair to be. When you hold the hair up, when there's no layers, it will travel all the way down. The key to this and all these types of disconnected haircuts is where the disconnection starts. As you can see here, it disconnects right where the roundness of the head starts, the side of the head, or the recession. You can see it matches up perfectly with the corner of the hairline. If you have an undercut that is not cut precisely, that is not sectioned precisely, aka your barber or hair professional goes too high, or they cut the section uneven where you've got little ridges and peaks and valleys in your undercut, because I fixed those many, many times throughout my career. And also what happens is that whole section, that little piece that's disconnected and not cut properly needs to grow out, aka the butcher destroyed your hair. So as you can see here, when it comes to doing an undercut, precision is really, really, really important. Having straight lines. And the way you do that, especially if you're attempting to do this yourself, is you do it with a comb and just be really, really precise. And you want to start with the corners. If you go too high, then you're not going to have enough hair left over and you're going to remove way too much weight. And if it's too low, the hair is just going to fall really, really flat and very low, and it's going to be really, really heavy around the ear area. So you want to make sure that it's going to be in the exact area where the corners of the hairline is, so it follows the contour of the head shape. Now, what I'm doing here, as you can see, I'm brushing the hair back because I did a little taper going from shorter to longer. The longer the undercut is, the more blended it's going to look, and it's not going to be so harsh. Anytime you go super short, it's going to be harsh. Now, with you can see here the length. It's going to, if you want to brush your hair back, as far as it goes forward, that's as far as it's going to go back. This won't be feathering as much because there aren't really a lot of layers in this. If you do want a heavily layered undercut, then you have to just simply have more layers cut. But it's not really going to match up with the haircut. This is designed more for someone who wants to keep some length on top and who wants to have more of a triangular shape, which is what you're seeing here. Now, you can see there's some flyaways on the hair. And if your hair is really dry and you do get a lot of flyaways, this is Sleek Smoothing Serum. It smells like heaven. It's incredible. It's got really, really great oils in it. And what I'm going to do is work it through my hands on dry hair. And you can see I'm starting on the ends and outer layer. And I'm literally just lightly coating over that hair. What that's doing, as you can see, it's just getting rid of all of that frizz in one shot. And it's just smoothing out that hair to make it look super shiny and super healthy. This is a pro technique that's going to make sure that you don't overdo it. A lot of people go right into the scalp area, but no, you can see what I've done. I've literally smoothed out all of those flyaways, and the hair is silky, silky smooth. It's definitely a product that I strongly suggest if your hair is dry. It gets very dull looking. There's a lot of flyaways and frizz. This is going to be a game changer, and if you click View Products, you can see where to purchase it. Let me know if you enjoyed this, and let me know if you are still wearing an undercut haircut. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you soon.